In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export trades from Tradestation. Whether you're organizing your trading history, preparing records for analysis, or simply backing up your fills, this quick process will help you move your data into a spreadsheet or text file with minimal hassle. Start by launching Tradestation Desktop and opening Trade Manager. You can get there from the main toolbar or through the View menu depending on how your platform is arranged. Trade Manager is the central hub for order activity, so that's where you'll find the details you need. Next, make sure you select the correct account. If you have multiple accounts linked, verify you're on the one that actually executed the trades you want. This avoids confusion later and ensures the results match your expectations. Now change the status filter to filled orders. This narrows the view to executions that actually occurred rather than open, canceled, or partially active orders. It's the cleanest way to capture completed trades without extra noise. Set the date range you want to export. You can choose a single day, a month, a quarter, or a custom span. If you're pulling a large history, consider breaking it into smaller chunks for faster retrieval and easier handling in your spreadsheet. Double-check the start and end dates before continuing so you don't miss anything. Click Retrieve Orders to load the results. Give it a moment to populate, especially if the date window is broad. When the grid updates, scan the list to confirm you're seeing the trades you expect. If nothing appears, recheck the account selection, status filter, and date range. To copy everything at once, click the top left corner of the order grid to select all rows. The entire table should highlight. Then right-click and choose Copy. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can use them here as well. This method preserves the column structure so it pastes cleanly. Open Excel or your preferred text editor and paste the copied data. In a spreadsheet, place your cursor in the first cell and paste to keep columns aligned. In a text editor, you'll see a tab or space-delimited layout that you can save as plain text. Give your file a clear name and choose a safe location so it's easy to find later. If you plan to reuse the data for analysis, keep the original paste intact and avoid manual edits that could shift columns. That's it. You've exported your filled orders from Tradestation and saved them for reporting, audit, or backup. If you need more history, repeat the process with a different date range using the same steps.